Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. It's around Thanksgiving, so I'm just relaxing. I'd just like to give you some good information. Most of my stuff is informational, and a lot of people are looking for tax relief. And there's a song where you look for love in all the wrong places. I forget who sings that, but most people look for tax relief in all the wrong places. They look for fancy ads. These ads tell you what you want to hear, and the reality is many of these ads, most of these ads, almost all the ads, they don't go ahead and they can give you what the ad promises. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of IRS, literally probably, I don't know, 12, 13,000 cases. And the sole most important thing you've got to understand about tax resolution, and the single most important question you have to ask, is who's doing the work? Who's doing the work? Have you talked with that person? When you have an IRS problem, you need to speak to the person. Like when we work our cases, you speak to me. I've got to know what the case is. I can't have it go through a salesperson who just wants to bill you and then send it back. They get a commission of what they're charging you. Then it goes to somebody else and it finally winds on their desk. And God forbid if the salesperson didn't put all the notes. You don't know this, but there's just this web of salespeople. So I just want you to go ahead and know it's a lot different than you think. You need to go ahead and speak to the person. And let me be even more specific. You need to Zoom with the person. Zoom with the person who's working your case. They should be able, if you owe IRS debt, put your financial statement up on the screen and do a screen share. And at that point, they can go over and review your financial statement and talk to you eye to eye. That's what you want to do. If you're looking for tax relief, you need to do those two things. You need to talk to the person, Zoom with the person if you can, and at least speak to the person working your case and not a salesperson. So when you call anyone, ask, are you the person doing your work? It's really that simple. For instance, what we do, you speak to the person doing your work and you have that phone number. That's what you need to do. If you're not hiring us, look to do that and you won't get ripped off. Thank you for listening. Believe me, I tell you the truth. You have no idea how many calls I get on people who have been ripped off and they don't know these basic things. They see an ad and their mind reacts to the ad. Oh, great, I can get that done. Let me tell you, if wishes were fishes, right? Anyway, have yourself a good one. Give me a subscription. I tell you the things you want. You can email me or text me if you have a question. I try to get back to most of you. Thank you so much for listening. I've been doing this for 53 years. I am an IRS expert. Thank you so much.